What is up, guys, and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Hope everybody had a lovely weekend. It's actually a bank holiday in the UK today, but it doesn't matter because crypto doesn't sleep. Now, we're coming up to a very important month in the year, guys, and in today's video, we're going to look into what we can be expecting. Now, before we do get into that, please support the channel by smashing that like button and dropping me a sub. We're on our journey to 10k subs. Let's see if we can get there before the end of summer. Can we do it? Click that button. Alrighty, guys, now we've got a lot to look into today. I was actually at a wedding last night. It was the first wedding I've ever been to. I'm feeling a little bit worse for wear today, so it may just be a quick video. Now, I did post this on the 24th of August, so 2 days ago, guys, and I said the technical breakout brings us to approximately 73k, but things to note, 64k is a major resistance. Would love to see a pullback to the green trend for a healthy, prolonged continuation. And you can see here, guys, we planned this out well ahead of time, so we could say bull case, bear case. We're currently planning out the bull case, but we'd like to see a revisit, and we will see a revisit of this green trend line. And then when you come to the 4-hour chart, guys, you can see that we are starting to make our way down. Now, we don't actually have to have a massive dump down. We can just accumulate all the way across here before we do experience our next leg. That would be pretty good for all of us, to be honest, and for all of our alts, but we can have some sort of sell-off. Maybe we fall like some sort of falling wedge, which is a bullish breakout pattern, guys, and then we have our next leg. If we look into Ethereum, then we zoom out, and we've been tracking Ethereum so well as well, guys. I mean, we had the 1618 bear trap long level at 2.35k. We are back in the channel now, guys, and we want to be trying to revisit the lower area of the channel to find that as support and actually confirm that as support for Ethereum and then for our altcoins at the top area of this channel, guys. And then we check out ICP, and what did we say last video? Target hit. We're going to be having a pullback at this level. What was the level? It was $8.70, because that was the technical breakout target, guys. So we said if you are trying to go all in on ICP now at $8.70, don't get ants in your pants. I'm pretty sure that is what I said to you guys word for word, because we should be having some sort of retrace. We're having a retrace now. We probably could pull back to this yellow line here at around $7, guys, or like mid $7, $7.55, and we'd like to coil up, but do remember that we do have a greater resistance above us, all the way from like $9 to around $8.30, guys. So it would be good if we could coil up into the apex of this and then have our next leg, because if we do confirm the breakout on the daily, that is going to be super bullish in the macro, and that could be what really does send us like 20, 30, 40% up, and maybe even higher to the previous local high, guys. So bear that in mind. We've got some important dates coming up. We're going to look into the monthly returns. Remember, there's a big event coming in the coming 2 days now, guys. But look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, look at the general altcoin market. Pretty much everything is having a pullback. I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, oh my God, did you see what happened with Ton? Yes. Not very good that the founder is now being locked up because he wants to give free speech to everyone. They're basically not censoring Telegram, right? Which I like. I use Telegram quite a lot. But again, this is why we need things. Someone made a post and they were like, this is why we need things like open chat, because the power is in the hands of many rather than one, and they can't really censor a decentralized messaging platform. So again, another reason why ICP is bullish. But I don't know if any of you guys would have seen my last video, but congrats, we are now in the top AI and big data tokens by market cap. They are still nerfing us, guys. They're taking the merry piss. They are nerfing us because we should be in so many different sectors as well. But we take it day by day. We keep spamming coin market cap when they say, hey, what's the top this category coin? We just spam them in ICP because you guys put pressure on them for us to be getting into that. And that's what we need, guys. So you can see here, we've actually had a retest in the past 30 days to the previous all-time high. We're having a pullback, and that's for market cap and volume of all of the AI and big data tokens as a whole. But we've still got some way to go, guys, to be recapturing that 48 billion. Will we be passing 50 billion for the total market cap? I do think so. And now we come to this chart. Do you remember what the chart looked like at the beginning of the month, guys? Look at it. We were red. We were super red. We were like 10% negative red, guys. Now, if you look at September, I mean, August and September historically are the most bearish months. Had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years of red Septembers in a row, and in a 3% month. But remember, we were minus 10%. We're now at 1%. Are we going to finish August technically as a green month or a break-even month? You can see here, guys, it's pretty even between how many months in Q3 are red to green. Sometimes it's too green, sometimes it's too red. So really, this could be a 50-50. But I do think if we have a bullish breakout before the end of August, and then September could be the retest month, that could be what brings us into this green October, green November, green December, into next year, guys. The fact that we will be red, everybody will start to panic again, but really it will just be because we've had a super bullish August, more bullish than we expected, and we did need to have that retest of the macro breakout levels, guys. So do bear that in mind. And like we've been looking out for, guys, 28th of August coming up soon, 2 days, Wednesday, is going to be the Nvidia earnings reports. This is going to be a big catalyst for our AI sector of coins, and now ICP, well, it always has been, now it's been recognized in that list, guys. We need to be keeping a close eye on that. Expect a very, very, very volatile day, probably for the whole crypto market, as well as the entire AI coin market cap, guys, being, you know, even maybe double as volatile as the rest of the crypto market on Wednesday. And I wanted to present this question to you guys: how much Bitcoin do you need to retire? And now let's think of it in terms of ICP. How much ICP do you think you need to retire? Are you on the path for that? Let me know in the comments, guys. We can have a little discussion to see who needs more, who needs less. Are we overestimating? Are we underestimating? Something to think about for your financial goals. Come to the altcoin chart, and this is what I mean. I mean, if we have a bullish breakout before, well, we've got like 5 days left, and then September is a retest of this wedge, then that could be super, super bullish, guys, for the end of the year. And you can see we've been coiling up, you know, for nearly a year now, guys. It's been about 8 months we've been coiling up. Once we do exit the apex of this and we do start to retest the upper areas of the dominance, you know, the 15% to 20% of the dominance, a lot of our top coins are going to be taking a big percentage of that market share, guys. And we spoke about this a couple of months ago when Dom did make the announcement, but they've got prompt engineering. You can create an app to track calorie consumption, and you can see here exactly how AI would customize that app, guys. It's getting very advanced very quickly, and the fact that it's going to be decentralized on the blockchain compared to a lot of these like other coins that use third-party hosting services, AI on ICP, in my opinion, has the potential to be way ahead of any other AI, guys. So we've got to keep up to date with that. What apps would you guys be making if you had the chance to be making an app through prompt engineering? That's it, guys. If you made it this far, please be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button and dropping me a sub. Let me know what you think September is going to bring us. And guys, I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.